Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in the command prompt, so open CMD now. First, make sure Python is installed on this machine by checking for Python, exe in program files, or the Python folder. This saves time later. Once done, verify that the Python install added itself to path. If not, you'll need to add the installation directory manually. Now that CMD is ready and path is confirmed, you can run the version commands I'll show next to get exact version details. You'll now run precise commands to see which Python is active. Type Python version or Python v. This quickly prints the interpreter's major and minor numbers. If multiple installations exist, use the PyLauncher with py-0p to list all installed versions and their paths. For full detail, run Python c import sys, print sys, version, which returns micro versions, and build info. Make sure to note which executable responds, since system path, or finally interpret what you see, outputs like 3. 10. 4 indicate major, minor, and micro versions. Extra text shows build or release info. If the wrong version appears, run the specific executable path or reorder path entries, or use py-3. 9 to target a version. Also check pip version to match pip to the interpreter. If you encounter Python not recognized, make sure the install directory is in path, or reinstall and select Add to Path. This usually resolves the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.